All right. Good evening, and me assure say me day your day, I come, especially the fans of Asante Kotoko we deny come because an away game against Dreams FC, Asante Kotoko etimi akudin kunim by 2-1 against Dreams FC. Accra. Now, before I move to the real issue, and I remember that you're born a total, and I remember that I have a do trim back, and I'm born a total. Let me just go through the results. Well, Bechem United they share summer test by 1-0, home win for Bechem. Now Bechem is on top of Asante Kotoko. It means that Okipune ne place, But Biani Gold Stars actually Swatremai by 2-1. Heart of Lions, not the top of the league, or share Baseke Holy Stars by 3-1. Nations FC, not the Kotkosoro, or share Legon Cities by 3-0. And a Young Apostles and a Vision ball 1-1. And a Asante Kotoko, share Dreams FC by 2-1. So, before I see about discussions, remember that Heart of Lions coach Bashir Hayford was 15 goals, conceded 5. On the Nations FC in a joint league best defense in terms of goals conceded. Heart of Lions 27 points, plus of 10 goals, or top of the Premier League. Well, Bebiani Gold Stars the second, 27 points, plus of 7 goals. Or the second in the Ghana Premier League. Bechem United, third, with 26 points, plus of 6. Nations FC, fourth, with 25 points, plus of 11 goals. My cousin was on a Heart of Lions, the best defense in the league. Now, Nations has more goals than any other team in the league. Nations, 16 goals. And all 25 points, 2 points behind Heart of Lions. Asante Kotoko, 24 points. The last 3 matches, Kotoko winning our 13 goals scored and 10 conceded, plus of 3. Heart of Folk were 22 points, plus of 4. Midiama, 1 game in hand. Or more ever born later. Or 21 points. Now, Brekum Chelsea were 18, Baseke 18 summer tests. Oma lose 4 matches at Twaso summer test. 4. Oma lose Young Apostles, Baseke Holy Stars, Heart of Lions, and Oma lose Bechem. Oma that 10th position. How many base? Asante Kotoko. 3 points behind, but Biani Gold Stars and Heart of Lions. Oma that top of the league. Before we move into action, next week, you have to be at the Baba Sports Stadium. Team Nankasa, they are peke. What is it? And your copyright can be the paluta, no. Eshe hasi. There's a peke. What is it? A peke. But at a time. But you bought Bebiani Gold Stars and a win. Ebame and the Gold Stars, the same number of points. This is why you need to subscribe to Porcupine Stand. More on that later. Faye, any ebe run 7 and a commercial Asante Kotoko, any Dreams FC boy. Me kakao, the SCO League and so. Na wahun komodi any bo. Asante Kotoko, in the absence of a brand here. Kotoko elusu the services of Emmanuel Mchi and Albert Amwa. They still managed to win by 2-1. In today's game, Mohamed Kamara, epic yellow card. Emmanuel Kote, epic yellow card. Wisdom Fernando Bassi, epic yellow card. And Andrews Intim Menu, so epic yellow card. So 4 yellow cards and Asante Kotoko pick. But Dawuda Saka and Babayaya, 40th minute and 43rd minute in the space of 4 minutes now. Asante Kotoko she 2 goals, and Eric Joseph Eso 10 later, but Kotoko Kotoko kure mu a a game no nyina ebe. We're going to talk about the things we observed. Well, yen shas yen free the positives. And then lineup Mohamed Kamara, goalkeeper. Send ye the Mamonra and Nrechi Yakan. Kamara goalkeeper. Manuel Cote baby place Patrick Essiedu. He comes back in the next game against Gold Stars. Lord Amwa, solid player. I kind of want about right back Samba and a blow 4 and 5. Justice Blay. And then a chita for be a touchy Blay. Ewo Kotoko Bass and this is what my reporter Eddie Free Kaswa Bremo so I'm touchy Blay. Ewo Bass and pa Blay chose almost sereno on extending the contract and for my Asante Kotoko. Nina also more of that news. Ebeba Blay ball number 6 together with Intim Menu. Babaya the goal scorer ebo number 10. Elvis Cheba for replace Albert Amoa. Saka Dauda, instrumental player in today's performance. Only Peter Aqua and completed the starting 11 of Asante Kotoko. First team no apeke. That is the first observation. Kotoko lusu 4 matches twice. Kotoko winning 4 matches at twice in all competition. Away mienu, home mienu, apeke. Period. Kotoko lusu 4. I was calling for the head of Kochogu. Yes. Into a winning 4. I said, Bonabaso Bruta. Team no idea. Adriana Stars, Future Stars, Heart to Folk, and Dreams FC. Now, the amount common here, then he said, in these 4 matches, Asante Kotoko Abonomode actually 2 goals in 3 out of these 4 matches. 2 against Adriana, 2 against Future Stars, 2 against Dreams FC, and 1 against Heart to Folk, and conceded 1 goal in these 4 matches. This is the kind of performance you will be expecting from Asante Kotoko on regular basis, and you flash in the pan. Da so give you up this kind of performance, and that is why I'm saying team na pick. Now we are talking about a Kotoko team na check league na any unkoma idea. Now, at the time, I need about close to 12 league matches. So, close to 11 league matches. 11 league matches. Now, Kotoko ain't share 2 goals in any of these matches. But now, in the last 3, Kotoko shared 2 goals or 2 of these matches. Kotoko first game against Karela, 1 goal. Against Young Apostles, 1 goal. Against Brekum Chelsea, 1 goal. Samates, Accra Lions in Swatremai, Ninjana 1 goal. Baseke Holy Stars, Kotoko share 1. Legon Cities, Kotoko share 1. And a Terai. So Kotoko bought 3 matches without scoring. Now 1 goal Nimpo baby. Inti Kotoko Nations, 1 goal number. Because Kotoko lusu 2-0. Kotoko Heart of Lions, 1 goal number. You lusu 1-0. Obin Junior go no. And Kotoko. And the Bechem United, Kofi Tumpo, go no share, you know. Kotoko lusu 1-0. Into 3 matches now go Nimpomba. But then you're turning. And now in the last 3, Kotoko Abon Homode has 5 goals in the last 3. This is solid, and they've conceded 1. Okay, at a point, Kotoko Boba Seke concede, but Legon Cities concede 2, but Heart of Lions concede 1, but Bechem concede, but Nations concede 2. It's not bare 5 matches and Asante Kotoko Abono no concede 7 goals. Legon Cities here 2. Or the Nations 2 ni kan na 4. To the Baseke de no, Bechem United de no. Na o de Heart of Lions de ne kan wa. Na 7 goals conceded. That was the story of Asante Kotoko. But say we about 3, no concede 1, no share 5 goals. This is impressive. Last season, Dreams FC share Kotoko home and away. And yes, Dreams at the moment at a 17th position in the league. But that is not the story. This season, Kotoko team are no worry. Had Legon City's first victory of this season was against Asante Kotoko. First victory at Legon City and this season Kotoko. Because Legon City started season with Lusu Bebiani, Lusu Mediema, Lusu Vision FC, Lusu Karela, Lusu Suatremai, Lusu Bechem United. And a ball draw against Accra Lions. The first victory of the season was against Asante Kotoko. So I'm not interested in the position of Dreams FC. At this season, Legon City are no worry about share Kotoko. I want to hope. So if Dreams were struggling, it was possible Senka Kotoko and to me ya ka Dreams FC beshano into my idea, and they deserve the credit, especially in the absence of Albert Tamwa and Emmanuel Entry. Ebianka Entry woma ka Solomon Kwekusai Kante Basabasa, the youth team boy. Kebia onya chance, but I know him Kante by. Imagine it's born here Ebia Emmanuel Entry free bench ba. I now the entry but look at the fear factor on other opponents. But in the absence of these two, Kotoko still managed to get a win, and that is why I'm saying Team Napeke. We will talk about the Gold Stars match, but yem far basobody yem team no based on the performance they're putting up in these matches. Now, Coach Okum etie chitafon, and he sat down with his technical team, and I pay off massively. Eddie Asante Kotoko. Ye Yohana supporters ne can say, listen, Kotoko should move away from the 3-back. And when they are moving away from the 3-back, Justice Blay and Sambra back to the defensive midfield. This is now a bona in team menu bona. Now one say, why will you bring Blay to the middle? But then I did Blay about because clearly, boy in team bona no thing. But the confidence our coach Ogumnya or Sachi Blay Ben is doing the magic, and that's the second observation. Ediana Blay Bonfinfin within team. Now I solid. Has the same two players played solid. And then there saw two players now, and we've seen solid defensive unit for Asante Kotoko. And the second half, we talk about the second half pressure nearby. But what Moon say, if you are looking at Adia Assassin or Kotoko team now, front training the order, middle training order, back four no order, but then a Blade joining in team in the middle. And now, Kotoko Bobo now, who said the central zones Kotoko dominating. Go and watch the second goal. It started from deep midfield. I'm pass it far right where the first goal rather. I'm pass it far left where and a Peter Yima Baba Boshe. Kotoko is winning back possession. There is proper shield in front of the defense. Short passes. Omoye. Now, last season, Kotoko Tima na counter attack ya desha Kotoko e free ho. Because it's all the trouble any in team no cry as I'm kasiye. And it prevented the number of shots I would work Mohamed Kamara so. Because Samba and Ablo is the second pillar in front of these two. And I know, man, common interesting when you are diagnosing Asante Kotoko. So Coach Ogum deserves applause for that decision of bringing Blay into the middle. And Blay as a player has to deserve about somebody. Because Mikrano, you say Blay defensive midfield no to but Oshe Kotoko ni brekum Chelsea. I watch every Kotoko game. Kotoko ni brekum Chelsea. Time our coach yi Michael Chejamana any Emmanuel Entry free. Opushi Blay a call. Oh, sa match no na sambe pra. Tine Blay ni abro. Eno de Henry Ansubeka ablo hono ma Blay a call DM. Go and look at my observation. Video am here concern of the observation. Me bo Blay abaso adwuma obeye wo mfimfio. So, Asante Kotoko chita for a course, Blay extend the contract or money fry. The commitment of the player, the dedication of the player, the hard work of the player. Player one, you number right back in a 4-back system, wabo. You number right center back in a 3-back system, wabo. That same player, coach, you soon as a defensive midfielder, wabo. That is a player fan or a versatile. Now, player or a versatile, you should be intelligent because every position has a necessary requirement. The position be as defense where you may midfield where you may attack. Our principles are edible. And if you are watching Blay, na baby number to be our that shows how intelligent and tactically disciplined, because Robian, apart from the basis, I said we play our one, there is also an instruction and a directive from the coach. When you play this particular position. Inti Asante Kotoko management you've watched the player, you've seen the player, and then when he has to be able catch them say Blay a player, we hear instant contract extension. 10,000 Ghana cedis in the football economy. I see a breaky bank near the man. At least you can talk about the years, whether he can maintain this for the next 2 years. But that is not the story. The story is Kotoko says, and yes, when your contract he has been consistent while maintaining a particular performance. Starting from this season, starting from Kotoko match boy, a year in crime. A democracy cap against us. After that, 4 back Nitina Blay bimbo. But Samba prior or my coach ne headache. That time the contract won't send some in Drew. But opportunity be that was a Samba pra. Blay be shame when that was it. So Andrews in team menu, Justice Blay. They are the unsung heroes in Asante Kotoko team. I say ye ball my super Lord Amwa. I mean, oh, Lord Amwa. Coach Didi Dramani. Otinamehe Kamara Dean of Midiema. Whether I'll be used to some more tete of Samatesamehe. Because at the moment, yes, unko be a fumwa. So I would love to watch Kamara Dean of Midiema right back and also watch Samuel Tete, any of them on Bebo. Because Makawaha, the performance of Lord Amwa, a consistent and drop it. Where ratings of players are, even if you speak to other colleagues, yankai tribo munya Kotoko ratings are. Adding so because a Lord Amwa, ye we game match with the Lord are flopping. Adding from Karela to Legon City's bar. So Legon City's match. That was the game. Coach Ogum started Saka and Peter Aqua as wing backs. Second half, or the Lord Amwa and Patrick Esiedubem. He is a solid player. No one maintaining a standard. And then how he joins the attack. Now we have full backs. Defensive. Defensively, he's doing the job. Or try or preparatory. But or the before count, that is when he joins the attack. And not joining the attacker, Obi on one-on-one situation, or allow the person to bully him. He gets the job done. And the second goal, Saka said, and you're not a assist. Oh, yeah, because or cross no, I would a boy and keep an save we. But if you are really analyzing the goal, what the right details are, player who deserve credit for the second goal, Lord Amwa. The determination to run straight into the penalty box. Your strikers, your forwards, or box no be no can no jano ato. Train the ref be no. O kipu ni composure and ball born. Lord, decent work and YNN. And what justify what mo bia or cast there be you are the right player for the right side of Asante Kotoko. Mama Panensa NC for Emmanuel Cote did well or the left back position. Dear. Now, this season starting at Kotoko supporters headache back occupy Peter Aqua. Aqua is coming back to life. And that's my field observation. Peter Aqua is coming back. The Peter Aqua na ni him the last season was started baby. As usual, I want him say Peter so. So be Bobby egu. And there. Unless I won't di Kotoko echi, but di Kotoko echi, I want him say Peter Aqua. Obe Bobby egu. Eka ho. But watch the first goal. Solid assist. He ran to the box, take you on the player, one-on-one, pass he moved to send a cutback, Baba ya bought what them. And that was Peter Aqua. Tiene on a Lord Amoyana, excellent job in creating for Asante Kotoko to score. Maybe I want to coach by drop Peter Aqua because against us on no nema yaja adramani coach ni uniform. And then solid performance. Sa Peter Aqua na ni inim na ojeboa on fan kwechiri. He's taking the ball to you on the ball net town. We are seeing that Aqua. And it also goes back to the credit to the coach. Because he maybe can say, coach in the boy in Wajuma, say, I dream on your boy in Wajuma. And gradually, he's coming back. He's coming back at the right time. Kotoko goal stars me diema. Matches me anyway. Matches a be influential. Our Asante Kotoko so beji league now. Go to Takwa, get a good results, beat baby and go stars. Because nations are your contender and I will tell you teams are also run nations are show. Teams are also run Bechima show. Teams are also run Heart of Lions are show. This are Diama. Then you talk about Gold Stars. The only one that was Robia Kotoko in this season, I had to folk. Based on the league table. Apart from that, league, one more Kotoko Bunyana, a straw for Nesha Kotoko. So the Gold Stars match, and the disadvantage is that why Heart of Lions that first was Kotoko, the team that third was Kotoko, Nations at that fourth was Kotoko. The team of that Kotoko Sura Kotoko Nyan and boy baby and Gold Stars, and that is why you need to beat them because why now some 2 matches no boy points don't know fair free hono a baby decider what the Obeji League so we pick it at the right time. You go to Takwa, get a good results against Midiama, then you play a Go Stars Sophie, get a good results. No Akobo Vision, last match of the first round. No ending on a good note. Yes, who's Sujanakwa. Saka Dawuda. Last week, Newton, Etanaka, as Saka will come good. They will hear a confidence. And I was go. And I want to believe this goal by unlocking a confidence in the I mean, he scored 8 goals for Buffalo. Not penalties room. He is yet to score for Kotoko. But throughout the time, everybody was talking about Saka Dawuda's work rate. And then all done a deal game. Sometimes Drew Baby no the only forward. Time ana Peter Ephraim. Time ana Awuche Ephraim. Basi by and he was doing more defensive work. Now in team side, Che Jamana, Justice Blay 4 in the middle of Moye Jumano. And ana Saka there as the only player, and he was doing the job so well for Asante Kotoko. Ninja higher positive smart Asante Kotoko. And Solomon Kweku side free bench. Ebenya a taste of the game. Okay, I'm okay with it. For a fan is youth team player there, it can get better. But in the match, I mean, I wasn't surprised. Dreams FC player, man of the match, was either he's going for Saka, Blay in team. Lord Amoa, Babaya, I mean, Babaya Sono. In the last 3 matches in the league, Babaya assist Bakono Ashe one goal. Or assist Albert Amoa go against Diana. And then Oshe Bakon against a club Efreno, Dreams FC. What this means that Emmanuel Entry, I say Entry, if you want to get your position, or the defensive midfielder, clearly you need to fight hard. I say Obapa in the attacking midfield rather. I saw Babaka obey Jumadin because Bona Baba so far no. 1 year Jumadin is going to get difficult for you. Coach Ogum, Castle to some extent, there's some conserve energy, no more those rotation, but they are coming back to work so well for the Gold Stars game. Why express a Gold Stars game in the bedding? Because of how young the Gold Stars team is. But it's a match that Ogum must come to the party and deliver results. Na Mbuama Kotoko's target, getting back to the top. Baby, you deserve so that. Once this season, surprisingly, Asante Kotoko that top of the league, and no week beyond Kotoko that league top, and there be. But imagine how sweet it will be. See, baby, first run Asante Kotoko that top. That would be a lovely, lovely conversation. I be man komonuma e depa. Edi ama Asante Kotoko. And share ya more exclusive binti me this video no beba. So let me combine this video with the player ratings. Mohamed Kamara picked up a yellow card. But O'Shea game now, he had a wonderful point blank save. But shot be man is so mupa. So we'll talk about all that later. Medebek fra exclusives no. Na ama bibia timi akoyi. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.